Walk into a bar, come into the next room with a picture in his hand, all of a sudden you're like, where the fuck did you get a picture?
You want a pint?
No.
What?
What?
You want a pint?
I don't drink anymore, bro.
Oh, right.
Can you believe that?
No.
I'm fucking
Okay,
sober man, dude, you know?
You gotta do that too sometimes. But a couple years, I think.
Yeah. Here, check. Yeah, I'm gonna need a little, hold on. Two. Oh, that's a little fucking better. You run away. You got mountains to move. You run away. You got nothing to lose. There's something I'll see you again when you're on top of the world. Till then, run away. You got mountains to move. Yeah, I think I'm gonna fucking record that one. Should I record that?
Yeah? Yes, please.
I mean, I record for you guys, you know?
Yes, please.
Can
Yes.
you just solo that after the second chorus? Just not me. Just not me. How is it okay? Is it loud? Is it loud enough out there? What's up, bro? Is it loud enough? If it's really loud, let's get it louder. Like fucking loud. I really want to make